Question 2 now. Like we explained in question 1, we're going to go through the order of operations step by step. So we'll start with parentheses, then exponents, and then multiply or divide, then add or subtract. Okay? So first of all, we look through this problem and see, do we have any parentheses? Parenthesis means this 5.8 minus 1.8, or see the 12 minus 10 here on question 5. So do we have any parentheses in question 2? No, right? So they're done. So you can forget about parentheses. That's taken care of. Now the next thing is, do we have any exponents, like 2 cubed or 3 squared or whatever? Do we have any exponents here? We do, right? 2 cubed. So that's the next thing we do. So the next thing we do is 2 cubed. Now, on the side of your page, write this out. 2 cubed is 2 times itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, right? And by the way, I'm using a multiplication dot, and that's a dot halfway up the... It's not a decimal point down at the bottom. It's a multiplication dot, which is big, and it's halfway up the by the number. So 2 cubed becomes 8, right? And then we just write out the rest of the question all over again. Okay. So just everything is written out apart from the 8, basically, right? Now, exponents are taken care of because I don't have any exponents left. So exponents are done. The third thing I need to do is multiply or divide from left to right. Now, multiplication and division are in fact considered the same as important as each other. So it's not to say that you multiply next and you go 2 times 8 is 16. It's technically... And it's not going to make any difference in this problem actually, but technically we multiply or divide from left to right because the third step is multiply or divide. Okay, they're both like the same importance. Okay, they're kind of like they're the same thing really, because division is just multiplying by a fraction if you think of it that way. Anyway, so 30 divided by 5. That's if we don't add 72 and 30 to get 102. That would be wrong. Okay, we do this division. What's 30 divided by 5? 30 divided by 5 is 6, right? And we don't add 5 and 2 to get 7. That would be wrong, okay, at this point. What do we do next? The next thing we do is multiplication, right? 2 times 8. What's 2 times 8? 2 times 8? 16, right? So we've gone through, we've multiplied, we've done multiplication or division from left to right, and now we just write out the whole question all over again. So we didn't do anything with this plus sign, that goes there. We didn't do anything with this plus sign, that goes there, and we didn't do anything with 72, so that goes there. Okay, so it's step by step, okay? So multiplication or division is done. All we have to do now is add or subtract, and I'm sure you'll be able to figure that out. So take your time, add these things up. So 72 and 6 would be 78, right? And then plus 16. Just add them like this to make sure. 8 and 6, 14, carry the 1. Right? 94.